Hey there YouTube, and welcome back. My name is Brian and this is Fab Automotive Detailing. I got some lights in for my garage. I bought some cheap Amazon Barrina T5 LED lights. It comes in a package of 6 lights for 50 bucks. You can either link them together, so it's one 8-foot light or all the way up to 24-foot light, I guess, or they have these little 2-foot pigtails that go in between them. And I plan on putting them around at least this side of my garage where I'm always detailing, and I'm gonna show you what we got here. I just have 4-foot fluorescent there, a 4-foot fluorescent there, and a 4-foot fluorescent right here. They've been okay over the years. I've always wanted some brighter lights. Yeah, my garage floor. Don't ever do the epoxy stuff. It doesn't last very long. But I've always wanted to do good lights, so when you're detailing, you need good light when you're detailing. And there's a lot of dark spots. And this light over here, when I got a car, this light right here, when I got a car right here, I don't get much light down here when I'm detailing. So this is what I bought. Barrina LED T5 integrated fixtures. And they are very, very lightweight. Now I saw a lot of reviews on Amazon, listen to me, on YouTube. There it is right there. It's very small. Let's give you an idea. Right there. I saw a lot of good reviews on YouTube, and I read a lot of good reviews on Amazon about these lights, and they are cheap. They're $50, and if they work good, I'm gonna put 6 on this side. If they work as good as everybody says they are, then I'm gonna spend another 50 and put some on the other side of my garage and just light this whole garage up. So we're gonna get started. Some of this is gonna be in time lapse. Some of it I might just turn it off, get some work done, and I'm gonna show you guys the final result. So let's do it. So the first thing I need to do is I need to get this light down. I put this light up several years ago. You'll see that hole right up there. That's where the wires come through. And I went to Home Depot and I bought one of these fixtures right here that should cover that hole. And just gonna wire it in. And then I bought this, screw the light bulb in. I can have an outlet on both sides. So, cause that's how these hook up. Let me show you the switch. It's just a regular old plug, and then there is a switch on it. And I can choose to leave it plugged in, or leave it on, I'm sorry, and then use, the switch on my wall to turn the lights on and off, because that's what it does for that light up there. And I didn't actually end up needing these right here. These are the conversions from 3, a grounded plug to non. I don't need those. I got them just in case, but I don't need those. I'm not going to film this part, so I'm going to get this done, and then we'll be right back. So I got the light installed right there. I don't really care what bulb is in there. I just need it as an outlet. I just put that bulb in for now. And yeah, I did plug a switch in so I can show you what this is going to look like. I'm going to see it for the first time too. Here's the box that it all comes in. It comes with 6 switches. In reality, I'm only going to need 1, I think. And they say these are good for under counter lights as well, so maybe that's why, if you want to plug one light in individually or all around your house, I guess, I don't know. Here's the hardware kits for each light. There's 2 brackets, and then a electrical joint, I don't know what you call it, but so you can put 2, 3 lights together and make it kind of seamless. And then there's a cap right there for the ends that you don't have anything plugged into. And then here's some pigtails. They're about 1 foot, I think. And that way you can kind of space the lights out a little bit and go around corners. To take it around, you can bend it around a corner. And then there's 5 lights right there. I've got the one right here because we're gonna all find out together what it's gonna look like. Tripod. Hopefully I can get this. Let's do it like that. I'm gonna turn this light off because my plan is to not use these lights after I get this done. Now I do hear, sounds like something in there is loose, but. So this light's gonna go right around here somewhere. And there you go. It's pretty bright. especially once we get, 6 of them going in here. It's gonna be really bright in here. Now I just gotta install them all. Not sure how I'm gonna put them or how I'm gonna space them yet. I gotta figure that out still. So basically last night I got these 3 right here hung up, and then I called it a night. It didn't take very long, but after working all day and coming home and seeing the kids, I didn't want to be stuck out in the garage and not have much time with my kids before we had to all go to bed. So now we're gonna hopefully get it finished. Alright, so I got them all done. All 6 are up. I know this is kind of dark right here, but I just want to show you. All 6 are up, and the very last one is down here, which is only really going to work when the garage door is closed. But here we go. Drum roll, please. It lights it up. And this is just 6 of them. I can really see what's on my shelves now up here. It's kind of hard to get back to show you guys, but see, I put the little pigtails, to make my 90s. I did space every light out, just like that. And there's another 90, and right there. Yeah, I've got to fix this cord somehow to make it get up out of my way, because I'm going to leave the switch in the on position. I mean, I could, do this every time, but I'm not going to do that. So yeah, there you go. So here's what it looks like with the car in. As you can see, it's really dark over here. I don't have that light on that's right up there. I do not have it on. But this is with these lights. And you can see how good it's going to be in the paint when detailing. And this is where I was losing a lot of I didn't have much light, was over here. Now I got plenty of light to see what I'm doing right down in this area. Before it was just, I'm gonna try to use the camera to show you. The light was basically hitting just right here, right in that little area. And now you can see it goes all the way down. Even gets the, hopefully I can do this. It gets the top of the vehicle as well. So it'd be easier to see defects. Sometimes on the hood or on the roof, it's kind of hard to see. Yeah, people don't see the hood, but when I do paint correction, especially on my own vehicles, but on other people's vehicles too, I do 100% paint correction effort, I guess is the word that I'm looking for. And even spots like that most people aren't going to see, I still, if somebody's paying me to do something, I make sure I do it right, and I will do defect removal on the roof as well. But there you go. That's what it looks like inside the garage with the garage shut. And this is the side. I want to put some of those lights up here. Yes, I have PVC piping for my air hose. I don't use it very often, but I'll have to run the lights around it. I'm not sure. I might put them maybe in this area, more towards the middle on this side, like right around the other side of this white line. That way I get plenty of light over in this area, because this is basically where cars are when I detail cars. So I will make sure I put these lights in the description down below to the Amazon site where I got them from. I don't make any money off of them. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. This is just lights that I bought. I spent $50 on them, so I'll put a link down in the description. So what did you guys think of the lights, after I turned them on? Leave that in the comment section. Let me know what you think. If it's something that you would like to do in your garage, I think I would recommend them. I cannot give you an absolute review on them right now because I don't know how long they're going to last. I hope they last a couple years at least. It does come with a 3-year unlimited warranty. Make sure I get that in the camera right. 3-year unlimited warranty. And it says you can use it between -4 degrees and 104 degrees. And like I said, they should last a while. They're LEDs. They don't use a lot of energy. It's pretty basic setup. So I don't see them not lasting at least 3 or 4 years. And for $50, that's a win in my opinion. So they're kind of weird right now to me. I've been so used to fluorescent for so long, these LEDs, it's kind of messing my eyes up just a little bit. And when I first turned them on, I brought my wife out and I said, I don't think these are much brighter than what I had. And she said, oh yeah, it's a lot brighter than what you had in here. So I've been so used to the fluorescents, and fluorescents, when you turn them on and the light's straight down. Whatever the fluorescents are mounted, the light is straight down. I had some over there. I had one right here, straight down. Now I have evenly distributed light in the garage, and it's kind of messing my eyes up a little bit right now, but I'm kind of starting to get used to it, and I'm really starting to like it. It's really bright in here on this side of the garage. Obviously behind me is not, and I plan on putting some over here as well. I probably won't make a video on that in the future, but I at least wanted to make this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. They're very, very easy to install. The only thing that I had that problem with I did not like are the screws, are just little tiny things. And you probably saw, and even in the time lapse, how many times I get up there to go put it in the drywall and I drop the screw, have to find it. That's the only complaint I had. All the brackets worked. I read some reviews on Amazon that the brackets, some people complain about the brackets, they didn't work, didn't hold the lights. Mine all snapped in, and I kind of moved them. They're not going to go anywhere. Mine all worked really good. And it's just going straight into the drywall. These things weigh nothing. I mean, they weigh literally, it feels like about as heavy as a piece of paper in your hand. They are just lightweight. So you don't really have to worry about them falling. As long as you got them in that base good, you should be perfectly fine. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and hit that bell so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. And on this channel, we do videos like this. Majority of the time, the videos we're going to be doing is detailing videos. That's what I want to focus on more than anything. But I like doing videos like this, or tools, mechanical videos, because I'm a full-time mechanic. I'm just a weekend warrior when it comes to detailing. And so if you subscribe to the channel, don't expect just detailing videos. But if this is the type of videos you like I said, hit subscribe, and we're going to have plenty more videos coming, and we will just see you next time.